Hi, I'm Nadine Baker, the Program Officer for Youth Engagement at the Don Wood Foundation. I have the privilege of working directly with many incredible youth-serving organizations through our camps, clubs, and competitions grant program, one of the most energizing aspects of what we do. This grant program is all about giving young people the chance to explore, create, and grow through hands-on learning.
Whether it's a summer camp or an after-school club, our goal is to fund programs that inspire the next generation of leaders and innovators.
We prioritize funding for youth in our 12-county service area. We especially focus on those who may lack access to these valuable experiences. If your program supports youth from preschool through high school to develop skills and competence, we'd love to learn more about it. We support a wide range of programming initiatives, including summer camps that foster engineering and entrepreneurial mindsets, support for clubs like robotics that require materials and resources, as well as competitions that allow students to showcase their ideas and skills. If a program is career-connected and student-driven, it most likely aligns with our focus.
If you're planning a camp, club, or school curriculum over the next year, let's connect. I'd love to learn more about your work and how the Don Wood Foundation might support it.